So as you know, we love buying homes that are on the golf course with a golf course view. So today we're actually checking out one of our homes, Dove Run, in Red Rock Country Club. That's right on a double fairway, and taking a look at the pool updates. This pool has come so far in the last 2 weeks. Check out the progress on this thing.
Wait, don't show them yet. Before we show you the pool and design the rest of this yard, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
And show us some love. Now let's check out the pool.
Dude, this thing's coming together nice.
I know. We did a video on this a little bit earlier, maybe it was a couple weeks ago, where we were having a lot of trouble with the progress on the pool. Our pool builder was having trouble getting his permits approved, and it was honestly way behind schedule. Well,
yeah, remember, we were standing in a dirt pool with just rebar for like 3-4 weeks at a time. We finally got some shotcrete on it, and it looks like they're putting the tile on too.
That was only about 2 weeks ago, so they've done all of the spraying of the shotcrete of the pool. They've started to put the tile on. They've finished all the plumbing, and they're honestly making a lot of headway in only 2 weeks. And I think we're about 2 weeks out from a finished pool.
Yeah, so let's show them what it's gonna feel and look like when it's finished. Come over here and look at the tile. Let's get in it and look at the tile. We decided to tile the pool with a tile that's very similar to that we use inside as well.
Yes, it's very different from what you see in a lot of pools, where you see a small tile that's really like a mosaic tile, and it goes around in just a band around the pool. Instead, this is going to be poured and finished really smooth all the way up to this large format tile, which is going to make the pool look way more modern.
Yeah, as you can see, this back wall goes quite a bit higher than the rest of the pool because it's going to have an 8-foot water feature that flows over the edge on this side. So that's going to be really cool looking from inside the house with the water feature on.
Yeah, we made it not too deep. A lot of pools in Vegas, like unless they were built in the 70s or 80s, like then you could get a 10-foot pool, but nowadays, honestly, a 5 or 6 foot pool is really all you get, and it's really all you need. Yep. The cost just goes way up if you're gonna dig any further than that.
Yeah, so the size of this pool turned out to be 15 feet wide by 30 feet long, and then we have the 8-foot by 8-foot spa. So it's actually a pretty big spa that we're building here. And it's coming together nice. It's gonna look really good.
Yeah, so the curb of the spa is angled just a little bit so it holds the water back in, but as the spa fills up and you turn the filters on, it's just gonna waterfall right over this and basically disappear into the pool. We have one more surprise feature right behind the spa. So right back here, there's going to be maybe 4 or 5 feet of a really small pony wall that is essentially like a fire pit. It's gonna be like a fire line. So right behind the spa, you're gonna have an awesome backdrop of a little bit of flame while you're in the water. It's gonna look really, really cool.
So little waterfall on this side, little fire on this side, disappearing edge spa. I love how this pool's coming out.
And the way we placed it is you can see all of that right from your living room.
So now that we have the pool pretty much, moving along, it's actually shotcreted and looks like a pool, we can start designing the surrounding of it with where we're gonna put pads and what it's gonna look like.
Yep. So all we have so far is the actual materials that we're going to be using. We kind of gave it a rough layout, but now that that's done, we know exactly how far it's gonna start and stop, so we can actually measure it out and put the pads where we want. So the overall design of this front area wrapping around the side of the pool is gonna be long poured concrete pads with turf in between them.
Yeah, and the pads are gonna be the color kind of the tile. So they're gonna be a stained concrete, a little bit darker. It's not gonna look like a raw concrete deck like we have under the patio. It's gonna be stained a lot darker. So they're gonna be pretty dark pads.
Yeah, and this is gonna be a very big usable area all the way right up to the curb of your pool. And unfortunately, like we mentioned in other videos when we were designing this house, we're gonna have to take all this stuff out right here because this is now gonna be your main walkway in and out of your pool area.
Yeah, having the turf in between these dark pads is gonna make the whole yard really pop.
Yeah, I think all the colors are gonna look really good against the bright green.
What do we do on that side of the pool though? There's a lot of space over there.
So the pads are gonna run along the front of the pool, connect with this part of the existing concrete, and they'll all be stained to match. And what we planned on doing was taking those pads in the same pattern and running them around this side of the pool, at least up to the back wall. And keep in mind, we have a lot of room here. Our fence is gonna be all the way back here.
Yeah, it'd be cool. I know we have a fire feature over there, but maybe putting a fire pit area here surrounded by either turf or built within a concrete pad on this side of the yard would be pretty cool as well. We could dig behind the pool for the gas line while it's still raw.
Easily. We could either put something like linear here where you kind of look into the pool, or since again our gate is going to be, this is like the corner of our gate here, so we have this whole back corner which really kind of looks right onto the course. You can kind of use the golf course as a view. Exactly. We could put something like more in this square right here.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Should we put more of a linear fire pit area beside the pool and then turf the whole back? Or should we put it more in the corner and use the golf course as a view?
Let us know, we'll do it. I promise. This house has caused some sleepless nights for us. It's been a very difficult time getting this thing done on time, and obviously it's not even close.
Yeah, we were gonna sell this house with a pool that's just a dug hole in the yard.
Yeah.
We were gonna list it and sell it because the inside's pretty much done.
Well, we didn't feel like we had any other option because we were gonna finish the house way before that's gonna be done. Fortunately for us, it looks like they're gonna be done on time together. So hopefully our next video, we can show you the final product of this entire property.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss that video and miss the final product of this house. It's gonna turn out really nice.
And you know what to do. Till next time.
We'll see you on the flip side.